Hello, and welcome to the myNORD video series. In this video, we'll walk through the Part Shop tools. The Part Shop provides a range of tools to help you find, quote, and purchase spare parts. If you already know the part number, the Quick Part Lookup tool makes it easy. Simply enter a part number, and it will automatically display the price and move you to a second line. Once all your required parts are added, you can send them directly to the cart. If you do not know the part number, you can use the unit identification or spare parts identification tools. These tools offer two search options. The first is by entering a serial number or equipment number from the gearbox nameplate. This will display a parts breakdown for that unit along with an exploded view and different tabs for the different gearbox sections. The numbers in the diagram either link to the supplied parts in the list of bill of materials or indicate that a part was not originally included in this configuration. The second option is to search by individual part number. This search shows an image of the part, its price, and stock levels at different NORD facilities. After selecting the parts that you need, click Add to Cart. To review your selections, click the cart icon in the top right corner. Here, you can verify pricing, check stock levels at your chosen facility, and make final cart adjustments. Keep in mind, all items in your order must ship together from the same facility. If any items are out of stock at the closest location, we recommend removing them from the order and purchasing on a separate order to avoid delay in any out-of-stock items. When your cart is ready, click Order. The next screen will display your billing address and let you choose a ship to address. You can choose to ship back to the original billing address, select a saved address, or enter a new address. After this, you will continue to the payment and delivery screen. Here, you can choose to pay by invoice or via credit card. Select standard or expedited shipping and add an optional purchase order or tag number. Standard shipping is always free. Next, review your order details, including the items in your cart, your ship to address, and your payment and delivery section. Once you accept the terms and privacy policy, you can click Order Now. If you selected invoice payment, at this point your order is complete. If you selected credit card payment, you will then be directed to a secure third-party page to enter your credit card information. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our online part shop tools. If you have any further questions about these functionalities, please reach out to ebusiness.us@nord.com.